guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a kitchen speed clean with me. So I'm just going to pan you around. So after Thanksgiving, everything was all cleaned up, and then after Thanksgiving I just kind of gave up for a couple days just because I was tired, and I just finished dinner, so we will be cleaning up dinner dishes. And this is the kitchen area here. Dining room, or the kitchen. What would you call that when it's like a eat-in kitchen? Over there in the back by the windows. I'll take you over there in just a moment, but don't judge the LaCroix problem. I do have a bit of a LaCroix problem, and I've been drinking them like crazy today, so that's part of that. So I'm gonna go, I think I like to go from a left, and I like to work all the way around. So we'll probably end up doing that. So this is the other part of the kitchen. Not too bad. As you see, I've started decorating for Christmas a little bit, and it's not too bad. There's really nothing on the floor except for shoes, and just got to clear off the table. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. are soaking, I wanted to show you guys this Grove Collaborative European dishcloth or paper towel or whatever they call this. I can't remember. This is the same one that I've had since I did my first order, and I was like, I'm not sure about these. This honestly does not stink. Like, you know how when you put a wash rag over your sink, usually within a couple days, well, usually it's about 3 or 4 days, mine start to stink. And I've run my dish rags on the sanitary mode of my washing machine, thinking that, you know, maybe they just had build up or something, and even after that they still smelled. So this thing is kind of amazing. I really like this. I'm definitely going to be getting some more. I have another one right now after this one goes to hell, but right now this one is still holding up really good. And all you do is you just stick it over the top rack of your dishwasher when you're washing your dishes, and it sanitizes it. So this thing's pretty kind of amazing. I like using it. Has no smell whatsoever. That just amazes me because my wash rags always stink. Okay, so here is the finished product. I've kind of lit up some of my Christmas stuff. I'll probably do a Christmas tour at some point, but there's that. And then got this guy over here. So let's just go around, whoops, this way. Excuse me, bud. Poor dog. So I still have any of my Rae Dunn buddies out there will recognize some of this. So this is the one thing I didn't do on the sink is usually when I have like a lot of dishes or heavy dishes in the garbage disposal, I'll put baking soda, and then I'll stick it down like the drain. Be careful with your hands, like use a spoon or something. And then I'll pour vinegar down there to make it, get that foaming action. And then I'll turn the garbage disposal on. It's a great deodorizer as well. So we got that. And then I'm going to, well, let me just pan around and then. So here is that. So I am going to finish off the night with some, let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit here. Just back up. So I have my free warmers out, and if you guys are aware of wax or know of like Scentsy, it's like Scentsy, but it's better. This is Vintage Chic Scents Blue Christmas, and it is Sweet Marshmallow Peppermint Whip, and it smells amazing, and it's gonna make my kitchen smell amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and warm this tonight. It just smells so minty and like Christmas, so I'm excited to get that in here. And I wanted to show you guys the towels that I was telling you about from Grove, just to show you how big they were, because I was telling you in my video, my haul the other day, about how big they are. That's how huge they are. Like, they are freaking huge. Yeah, they're just, I'm really impressed with their size. So alright, that is it, you guys. There's a few things that I didn't do, like I wanted to wipe down the windows a little bit, and the microwave and the oven and the mirrors, and I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.